Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to pay Atome using GCash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the GCash app on your device and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, tap the Bill button. From there, search for Atome in the billers list and select it. After selecting Atome, enter the required details such as the amount you wish to pay and your reference number. It's important to double-check the payment information to ensure accuracy. Make sure your GCash account has enough funds to cover the transaction. Once everything looks good, tap Next to complete the payment. And that's it. You've successfully paid Atome using GCash. This process is quick and convenient, allowing you to manage your payments easily from your mobile device. So that's basically how you can pay Atome using GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.